wĩrathimagĩra ũrĩa ũkwenda na gũtirĩ ũngĩkũria kĩũria watua kũrathima ũngĩharũrũkia gũtirĩ ũngĩkũria kĩũria Ngai mũrathimi ndathima ũrĩngĩ ndathimĩra wĩra wa moko makwa na ũhe gĩtũmi gĩa gũkeneragĩra Ngai mũrathimi wĩrathimagĩra ũrĩa ũkwenda Ngai mũrathimi ndathima ũrĩngĩ. What's up, my name is Robe and today I'm gonna walk you through on how to play NGAI MURATHIMI by Ruth Wamuyu. It's a beginner song, so I'm sure that you guys will be able to handle this song well. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and if you have a song that you want me to do a tutorial on, you can always feel free to let me know in the comment area. Plus, if you learn from this tutorial, make sure you leave a thumbs up because it really helps with the ranking of these videos on YouTube. So guys, without wasting any more time, let's kick off right after this. So this song is in the key of C sharp, though in this tutorial I'll do, or rather teach you guys how to play it in the key of C. But if you want to play it in the same key as the original record, you just transpose your keyboard a half step up so that it's a C sharp. So I'm gonna divide this tutorial in two parts, where I'm gonna take you through on how to play the progression of the verse, and then I will follow that with the progression of the chorus, and that will be all for this tutorial. So we start off with the verse progression. So the progression for the verse is 1 3 4 1 4 1 5 1. So the 1 is a C chord, the 3 is an E minor chord, 4 is F major chord, 1 C major chord, F, C, the 5 is a G chord, and then back to C chord. So I am on my left hand, I am using my pinky to play note C, my middle finger to play note E, and my thumb to play note D. Excuse. And then the chord that follows is the 3 chord. So the 3 chord in the key of C is an E minor chord. So this one actually is an inversion of the E minor chord. So normally you'll play your E minor here. So if you go if you play it in the second inversion version, then you play it as so. So I am actually playing with my small finger note B, note E with my pointer finger, and note G with my thumb. On my right hand, note B with my thumb, note E with my middle finger, and note G with my small finger. So that's E minor chord. So it's 1 3 then 4. This 4 is an inversion of the F chord. So normally you play your F chord here. So if you play the second inversion, if you go back a half step following the inversion patterns, then you play this second inversion of this F major chord. So where you play with your pinky, note C, note F with your pointer finger, and note A with your thumb. On my right hand, note C with my thumb, note F with my middle finger, and my small finger plays note A. So that's F major, and then you play the C, which I've shown you how to hold, and then F again, C, and then G. So this G chord is an inversion of the G chord, first inversion of the G chord. So normally you'll hold your G here, so G, then first inversion, G, first inversion. So on my right hand, or rather my left hand, sorry, I am playing note B with my small finger, note D with my middle finger, and note G with my thumb. Right hand, note B with my thumb, D with my pointer finger, and G with my small finger. So that's G. This is an inversion of the G chord, first inversion of the G chord. So ideally those are the chords for the first for the verses, and just to go through them again. So it's 1, 3, 4, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1. Ngai murathimi, urathimaga uria ukwenda, na gutiri ungikuria kiuria, watu wakurathima. So that's how you will play your verses, and then the chorus. The progression is 1, 4, 5, 1, 1, 4, 5, 1, and then 1, 4, 6, 5, and then now you will play the 1, 3, 4, 1, 1, 4, 5, 1. It's a bit lengthy progression, though I will explain it, step by step, so that you can understand. So the new chord here is the 6th chord, and that's the A minor chord, this chord here. So the way you hold this chord is that okay, normally you'll hold your A minor here, then second inversion, first inversion of the A minor chord. So my left hand is playing note C with my small finger, note E with my middle finger, and note A with my thumb. Right hand, A minor, second inversion, A minor, second inversion, first inversion. So C with my thumb, E with my pointer finger, and A with my small finger. So now, here is how you play your chorus. Okay, let me sing through the chorus, and then I will explain to you how you will play it. So actually it's just, you just play 1, 2, 1, 4, 1, 4, 5, 1, 4, 6, 5, then 1, 3, have arranged those chords in your screen. If you just follow, you will be able to play that beat. So the first line is 1 4 5 1. Then phrase 2 1 4 6 5. Phrase 3 1 3 6, 4 1, and then 1 4 5 1. So just practice playing that way, and then after you feel you up to speed, then you can now include it as you sing it. That is, if you're still not, if you're still a beginner in the keys. So that's how you play that song. I hope I was clear, but if I wasn't clear, you can always let me know in the comment area, and then I will make the corrections. So guys, that's it for this tutorial. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't subscribed to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up, and keep those requests coming. You can just highlight, or let me know whatever song that you want me to do on the comments. So guys, that's it. Let's see each other next tutorial. Ciao.